Hello, this is Chanel with WTI, and I have multiple drinks that I want to have in the morning. There's tea, there's protein drink, there's water, and I can't carry all of that out the door in, my arms. This Hydracup is amazing. It was a dual cup that held two different liquids. I was a bit hesitant to try it out, but I figured it would be worth a shot, and I love it so much. So this really helps dwindle down what I have to carry with me as I'm walking out the door. It's made for pre and post workout drinks, which is what my husband actually uses it for, because he has the pre-workout and the post-workout drinks, and so he'll use it specifically for that as well. So now these Hydracups are a staple in our household, and we really like using them. I like how it stays down. So if I want to drink out of here, it's not gonna like flop around and hit me in the face, like, that can happen sometimes. Another reason why I like it is because it has ounces and milliliters on the side here, and on both sides, because it's a dual cup. We use them consistently. I've really appreciated the Hydra cups, and so that is my point of view.